Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to delete a custom field in Salesforce, whether you're cleaning up unused fields or reorganizing your data structure. Removing custom fields helps keep your Salesforce environment streamlined and manageable. Let's walk through this process step by step. First, you'll want to navigate to your Salesforce setup area, look for the gear icon in the top right corner of your screen, and click on it. From the drop-down menu that appears, select Setup. This takes you to the administrative hub where you can manage all your Salesforce configurations and customizations. Once you're in the setup area, locate and click on Object Manager. You'll typically find this option beside the Home tab. The Object Manager is where Salesforce stores all your standard and custom objects, giving you access to their fields, relationships, and other configurations. Now you need to find the specific object that contains the custom field you want to delete. Click on the object name, for example. If your custom field is on the account object, you'd click Account, then navigate to Fields and Relationships. This section displays all the fields associated with that particular object, making it easy to manage them. Here comes the important part. You need to locate the exact custom field you want to remove. You have two options here. You can either scroll through the entire list of fields if you know roughly where it is, or you can use the search function at the top of the page to quickly find it by typing in the field name. Using the search function is particularly helpful if you're working with objects that have many fields. Once you've found your custom field, look at the most right column where you'll see a drop-down button. Click on this drop-down button, and from the options that appear, select Delete. This initiates the deletion process for that specific custom field. Salesforce will now show you a confirmation dialog to ensure you really want to proceed with this action. This is an important safety measure because deleting a custom field is permanent and will remove all data stored in that field. Review the confirmation message carefully, and when you're ready, click Delete to finalize the removal. And that's it. You've successfully removed the custom field from your Salesforce object. The field and all its associated data are now permanently deleted from your system. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.